new video, and which is the most important video also, the video of the lecture of word problems. Word problems, as you know, very important part of linear equations into variable. Many students found it difficult, but actually if you practice them properly, okay, and repeatedly, then I don't think they are that much difficult. So here we have begun our word problems from practice set 1.5 of our chapter 1, and I have written one question also. Okay, so let's begin. See the question. Two numbers differ by 3. Two numbers differ by 3. Okay. Sum of twice the smaller and thrice the greater number is 19, and we have to find the numbers. Now, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you solve this type of questions, you have to read that question at least twice or thrice. Okay, because once you read it thoroughly, you will understand the conditions which you are going to make, and the variables also, for which quantities you are going to give x as a variable, y as a variable. Now, as far as this question is concerned, in this question both the quantities are the numbers. Okay, so we will begin our solution by saying that let x be the greater number and y be the smaller number. Okay. Now, what our first condition says, they differ by 3, means their difference is 3. It means one number is greater than the other by 3. So, by first condition, x is greater, y is smaller, their difference is 3. So we say that x minus y is equal to 3. Okay, so in this way we met the first condition, easiest one, call it equation number 1. By second condition, now we have to see what is our second condition. Second condition says that sum, now see, we'll go word by word. Okay, word by word. Sum means addition. Sum of what? Sum of what? Thrice the greater is x, and it is thrice, so 3x. Let me tell you one thing, thrice and 3 more, these are the words which you are going to frequently, you will see this type of words in the word problems. If x is a number, then thrice means 3x, and 3 more means x plus 3. So if 2 is a number, then thrice of 2 is 6, and 3 more is 5. Are you getting my point? 3 more means 2 plus 3, 5, and thrice of 6, 2 3s are 6. So in this way, here we made the condition sum, we have taken the sum, plus sum of what? Thrice the greater is x, so thrice x, plus twice the smaller is y, so 2y. It may be 2y plus 3x, but I have taken x earlier. So their sum, how much? It is 19. So in this way, we got condition 1 and condition 2. Okay. Okay. Now, Yeah, here it is 3x, here is 1x. It is 2y minus 1y or just minus y. We'll do one thing. We'll multiply the equation 1 by 2 and see what's happened. Equation 1 by 2. We will multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus y, minus 2y, 2 3s are 6. Okay, call it equation number 3. Now equation 2 plus equation 3, let us add them. 3x plus 2x, 5x, 2y minus 2y, get cancelled. 19 plus 6, 25. X is equal to 25 by 5 means x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Put x is equal to 5 in some equation. Put x is equal to 5 in, let us put in 1. X minus y, 5 minus y is equal to 3. Then take your 3 here. 5 minus 3, y minus y will go to that side, plus y, 5 minus 3 is 2, so y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, so two numbers, you got one number x, another number 2. So as it is a word problem, you will have to write down the answer in words. The last sentence separately, it has allotted half mark. Okay, so you have to take care that after completing the question, don't forget to write down the answer in words. Okay, so as they ask us find the numbers, we got the numbers. Now just write down, therefore the required numbers are, you may write down it in any order, 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2. In this way we have completed question number 1. See it. You may copy down the question.